In this video, I'm going to show you how to back up your WordPress website for free using the free version of the Updraft Plus plugin. So to get started, we're going to head on into our dashboard under Plugins and click Add New. In the search area on the right-hand side, we're going to click Updraft, and we want to install the Updraft WordPress Backup plugin. So click Install, and then click Activate. It's going to tell you to click the settings, so you can click out of here and click Settings. Next, in the Updraft settings, we want to click the Settings tab. Next, we want to change the file backup schedules and database backup schedules to at least daily. Okay, and I like to keep a couple weeks worth of backups. So I'll type 14. So that's 2, if we have a daily backup, that's 2 weeks. And a free way to store your backups is to use Google Drive. Now you can leave all the settings alone. You want all this kept checked. So you're going to want the plugins, themes, uploads, and inner directories found. Also, we're going to want to create a folder inside of our Google Drive area. And it needs to be this exact folder. So I'll highlight it and click Copy. Next, you're going to sign up to Google Drive. It's free. You get 15 gigabytes a month. And it should be plenty of space to upload 2 weeks worth of backups of your website. So next, let's create our Google Drive account or sign into it if we already have one. So I'm going to go to the top and search in Google. Google Drive. Oops, misspelled that. And it's google.com/drive. And now we're going to click Go to Drive. And if you already have a Google Drive account, then it'll take you to inside of your Google Drive account. If not, you're going to want to create one. Once inside, you're going to want to create the Updraft Plus folder. As you can see, I already have one created. But under your drive, click New. Click New Folder. And you're going to want to paste the Updraft Plus folder and click Create. Next, we're going to go back to our WordPress website. Click on Save. And under the remote storage authentication area, it says you have selected a remote storage option, which has an authorization step to complete of your Google Drive. So we click the link, choose the account that you want. It's going to tell you what Updraft Plus can access from your account. Just click Allow. And now to complete the step, click the Complete Setup button. Now it'll take you back, and you can click the Backup Now. And you'll see this box pop up. Keep these checked and click Backup Now. As you can see, it'll start to back up your entire website up to Google Drive. Okay. Now that it's finished, you'll look down here and we can see I've already previously backed up my site. Now let's say you mess something up on your website and it's pretty bad. You can click the Restore button and you want to click all these. And then you want to click Next. And then just follow the steps and it'll upload the copy back up to your website, which will revert your website back to a previous state. And it'll be like the mistake never happened. As you can see, you can manually delete each backup. Right here, it has the date of January 12th, 2021. And you can just click Delete. And you can also delete from remote storage. So it'll delete from your WordPress site as well as your Google Drive account. That way, at the very top, you can have the newest backup. Like I said, I would always keep under Settings at least a daily backup. You can also do twice daily, so every 12 hours, every 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And then I would retain at least 2 weeks worth of backups, so 14 on each one. After you're done with everything, click Save Changes, and you're all set. Now you can rest easy knowing that your website's backed up on a daily basis up to Google Drive, which you're able to control. So with that said, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.